Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Porsche 911 versus Lamborghini Aventador. Start by separating straight-line speed from real-world usability. We will assess acceleration, handling, comfort, and running costs. I will highlight where each car shines, who each suits, and what compromises you should expect. Listen for practical examples and ownership tips so you can pick the better fit for your driving style and budget. Let's compare engines, transmissions, and how each car feels on twisty roads versus highways. The Aventador delivers raw, theatrical power with massive straight-line pace, while the 911 trades peak power for refined speed and cornering confidence. We'll note braking performance, steering feedback, and how electronic aids change the experience. Think about whether you want adrenaline or usable performance every day. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more content. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can reshape how you plan for big purchases and long-term ownership, and it pairs nicely with car budgeting tips. Check the description for the book link and current deals, then take a breath, and now let's get back to the video. Now consider real-world ownership: insurance, maintenance, practicality, and resale outlook. The 911 often wins on lower routine costs and easier service access, plus trunk space that makes short trips realistic. The Aventador asks for commitment, higher fees, limited cargo, and specialized shops. Think about how often you'll drive, where you'll store it, and whether weekend thrills justify the extra expenses for a V12 supercar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.